Hey Shopify merchants, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a mix and match bundle discount with multiple collections. So firstly, once I have the app installed, I'm going to go ahead and click on create discounts. And here I'm going to select the mix and match bundle discount type. Once I'm in the discount, I'm going to select the automatic discount, so this gets applied as soon as all the selection criteria is met and the customer does not need to use a discount code. Here I'm going to add a title that the customer can see in their checkout and cart when the items are all have met the selection criteria. For the bundle section here, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 selection groups, and for each of these I'm going to select a collection. So firstly, I'm going to select the cheese collection and make sure the customers can buy any 3 from this collection, and then I'm going to select the meat collection here, the second one, and so let's say they have to select any 2 quantities. And finally, for the last selection group, I'm going to select bread and then crackers and crisps. Here I'm also going to select 2. So once I'm on the discount percentage, I can go ahead and set that to 20%, and I'm also going to set this to combine with other product discounts. So once that's all set, I can go ahead and click on Save Discount. Once that's saved, I can go into my store. Here I've set up a banner and a collections section where I can see all the different collections that I have set the discount at, and also put a message here that customers can see what sort of items they can select from these collections and what discount they can expect. So here I can go ahead and click on any 3 products. I can also choose to just add more products, more quantities of the same product. But here I'm going to select 3 different types of cheese. Then I'm going to select the meat. I need 2 meats here, so I can add 2 meats. Let's go and add these sausages here as well. And then finally, in the bread section, I can select 2 more. And let's do that here. I can add to cart, and let's click on View Cart now. So you can see that all the items have been added. It's also gone ahead and added the discount automatically. I'm actually going to remove one of the breads here, and you'll see the discount actually drops. And instead I'm going to keep quantity 2 of the same bread, of the sourdough. So as soon as I do that, you can see the items have gone ahead and added the discount automatically. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on Checkout. Now you can see all the items that I've selected, as well as the discount automatically applied, where the customers can see the discounts right in the cart. So that's it for this one. If you guys have any questions, reach out to our support and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.